Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Shadow 1969. I'm coming to you from Royal Caribbean's Icon of the Seas. We're here at the back of the ship, here at the aft, at absolute zero. You can't go inside the venue right now because it's closed, but I can show you this, so check it out. This is Playmakers. Playmakers is like a sports bar. Got lots of TVs and a lot of your favorite sports being played, and it goes all the way over here. Look at this. Sports. If you like sports, you like bar food, this is the place to be. Now, this is a specialty restaurant, so it does come with an extra charge. But let me tell you though, the wings and the onion rings, those are my two favorites. Every time I go to Playmakers, that's what I get. Wings and onion rings. They are fantastic. Some video games here, got some games of skill. There you go. And over here, look at like a little store here. We're at port today, so store's not open, but normally you can come here and purchase all kinds of fun stuff. Alright, where are we at now? Yeah, this is the Royal Promenade. Promenade on the Icon is huge. Well, like everything on the Icon, it's big, really big. I mean, they don't have staterooms on the sides of the ship like most, like the Oasis class ships, but here on the Icon, the whole width of the ship is like this promenade area. It's nice, it's big, it's airy, lots of room. Alright. On our right side is the Schooner Bar, famous for trivia. Yeah. And there's a lot of times they have performers, like piano players, sometimes singers even, here at the Schooner Bar. And of course, a bar. Gotta have a bar in the Schooner Bar. Get your favorite beverage. Across the way is Boleros. I'm gonna get like your Latin theme going on. You got Boleros. Alright. What do we got up here? I'll tell you what we got up here. We got the Pearl. This is like the signature thing of the Icon. I guess the Icon class ships. Not sure if Star has one. It's not yet, but that's the Pearl. It's a specialty restaurant. This is Giovani's. Giovani's table. I don't know. Which one is Giovani's table? Is it this one? That one? One of these? The other one? But look at this. The restaurant has a beautiful ocean view. A lot of times these specialty restaurants don't have a view. But here on the Icon, got a beautiful view. Alright. What else we got over here? Oh, behind the Pearl is the Pearl Café. Of course, why not? We'll get to that side of the ship here soon, but look at this. This is pretty amazing. This is a actual sculpture that moves. The lights inside there, they change. And like the panels, hopefully you can see it. Some of these panels are moving. This is like a living art sculpture. This thing is moving. That's crazy. That's great. It's awesome. I like it. I think we're going to see a lot more of this on other ships as well. But it's a real focal piece, a real centerpiece for the Icon of the seas. You know what? Where's Rover? We need Rover in here. We need Rover inside the Pearl. That'd be like iconic. But yeah, look how big this area is. It's open, it's bright, it's wide, it's cheery. Yeah. Oh, I see Sorrento's. Sorrento's pizza has gotten really good lately, and it's fantastic here on the Icon. I had Sorrento's twice yesterday. I'm not kidding. They're going to get fat on all this pizza. But yeah, you get pizza by the slice, or you can even order a whole pie. I'm not kidding. There it is. Sorrento's Pizza. If you haven't done it, you got to try it. And it's complimentary. It's included with your cruise fare. Here's another fun venue on the right side. This is the Dueling Pianos. Dueling Pianos, like the name implies, there's two pianos, and they play every night. Actually, several times a night. In here, look at this piano theme. They got these pianos here. Dueling Pianos. I don't want to spoil the surprise and the fun, but you got to come here and check this out. Now, it does get quite busy, so you want to get here early, get a good seat. But yeah, these pianos got piano players, two of them, and they play. And it's just crazy. You got to come here, and right here, get your favorite beverage. Makes it even more fun. Yeah, check out these two here. Yeah, they're not playing piano, but it looks like they're having fun too. And over on this side here, this is the comedy club. It's called the Attic. I don't know why it's called the Attic, because it's on deck 6. And Zoltar will tell you your fortune. Yeah. Oh, he's talking to me. I think last time I talked to him, he told me I never get the cruise. Alright, looks like down there, got Spotlight Karaoke. And let's see, we get this far. We'll check out the Pearl Café. It's up and around the corner here. We can also take a look. There's a store down there called The Collection. No, it doesn't sell anything that I like, but there might be something in there that you like. Got a Starbucks, like it's a real Starbucks. That's not like, a fake one, or, but that's a real Starbucks there. Alright, we're here at the Pearl Café. And I've never noticed this before. That's a whale up there. That sculpture is a whale. But look at this view. Huge windows. Now, unfortunately, though, right now, we're in port, and we can see is the MSC Magnifica out there. But normally, this is beautiful ocean views. I mean, this is like 3-story windows. This is something you really like to see. Let's view. Oh, and of course, we've got the Pearl. Here we are. This is the Pearl. We're here on deck 6. The Pearl, like I said, is like a living, moving sculpture. The lights move, the panels move. This is really cool. You got to be here to really appreciate what this is. This is pretty amazing. Look at this. Like I said, about the only thing missing is Rover. We got to see Rover here. We really do. Yeah, these panels are moving. It's almost like it's breathing, like it's alive. All right, let's go down. All right, here. Well, it's kind of echoey in here. But yeah, this is the Pearl. All right. Let's look at it from bottom up. All right. This is the Pearl. Look at this. It's crazy. It's crazy they put something like this on a cruise ship. I mean, pretty crazy, pretty awesome if you ask me. But like all these panels are moving. There's lights behind them. They change colors. This is something really cool. All right. I could stay here all day, but you want to see more of the ship. So come on, let's go. All right. You got here on the right side, we got guest services in case you have any problems. Guest services can take care of you. You got like a English pub on the left side, Point and Feather. All right, let's take a look at guest services. Here they are. Yeah, if you got a problem, they'll solve it. Guest services. And the pub over here, Point and Feather. This is the pub. This is kind of a funny sculpture here. The dog. Look at this. What's he doing? Crazy. It's a dog. And next cruise. What's the next cruise? You can book your next cruise. There they are. Hello. Hi. Hi. So yeah, if you need a cruise, want to book a cruise, here's where you come. You come in next. Yeah. All right. Have a good day. Yep. All right. Got some more stores over here. Port merchants. Got a pavilion on 5. This is a jewelry store. I don't know. Sorry, I don't buy jewelry. But yeah, that's here. This is a cool new elevator system they have here. These elevators, you don't go to the elevator and wait for the door to open. You actually come here, you select which deck you want to go to, you press the button, it'll tell you which elevator to go to. Like for example, I want to go to deck 10, press the 10, it tells me to go to elevator D, over here. There's no buttons inside the elevator to tell me what floor to go on. You just get in. You just get in the elevator and it takes you to the deck you selected. What a great concept. All right. Over here we got, what else? The dining room. All right, let's sneak inside. This is the main dining room here. Ooh. It's very similar to an Oasis class ship. We have the several layers. This is like 3 levels of dining. And let me tell you, the food on the Icon is spectacular. I am going to take home so many pounds. But look at this. It's a beautiful chandelier here. And 3 decks. Look at that. 3 decks of dining. Oh, I'm getting hungry now. Really. Whew. That is the main dining room here on the Icon of the Seas. And this is me, Mr. Shadow 1969. I'm on Royal Caribbean's Icon of the Seas. Hopefully you like this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I appreciate that too. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And hopefully I'll get to see you on board soon. Have a good one.